Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. You guys are tracking expenses again. We just passed that weekend of the 15th. We need to go ahead and get on top of it. I need to stay on a weekly schedule so that I know what's going on. So I actually am trying something different. I've already entered all this stuff into my digital planner, and then we're just going to review and talk about it. Let me know if you like this better. And I really did this because we're going over both of our credit cards today, and I didn't want it to be extremely long. But if you prefer me to enter all this stuff and then review it with you, let me know if this works for you as well. Start with our normal card, which we use for our variables and sinking funds, which is our Saver credit card. So Saver credit card currently has a balance of, let me bring y'all in, $85.12 as our current amount due. Let's go into our recent transactions, and we see that all of our payments that we scheduled are here, the 113, 14, 147, 142. Then I went again and made the 12 and the 468, which was these two, and then I marked them off as clear. We have Popeyes for $13.06. Then we have Marathon Gas, which is just snacks, for $9.04. We have Sam's Club for $50. That's actually our Sam's Club membership, $50 for the year. That was scheduled to come out on the 12th. It says 13th, but it came out on the 12th. Then we've got those two payments we talked about. And then we have $13.06 again, Popeyes. Popeyes is clearly my eat out choice for right now. And then we have two things pending. Target, which was like, I went there to pick up a gift card for my Secret Santa. Got a few like snacks and stuff. And then a Domino's, which was today. Y'all, I had a tough day today. So that's going to be split kind of like groceries because I didn't really go grocery shopping. So I ended up just buying Popeyes. I don't even want to talk about it. Okay. So that's what that is. So that's what it shows in there. Let's go over what it shows on my sheet. Okay. So in our tracker, let me bring us up. We have everything that's here cleared. I added in on 12, the Popeyes, the snacks, the subscription, the eating out for Popeyes again. And then also we had gas. So let's double check on our gas real quick. We spent $20 on gas on 12/14. That's the only thing we spent in these envelopes. We had $97 on 12/14. We spent $20. We should have $77. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, we have $77 left in gas. And you don't ask me why I haven't gone and done this self-care yet. This weekend was a lot busier than I assumed or thought it would be, so I never made it, and I still haven't given out any giving money. So that's it for the cash update. So technically we can mark off gas as paid. So we'll get our highlighter and highlight the gas money. And that's been paid. And let's figure out paying these off. So eating out for Popeyes is $13.06 plus snacks of $9.04 plus another $13.06. It's $35.16. So $35.16 for eating out. Y'all, I don't even know if we have $35.16 in eating out. Let's take a look. Foodie Finds, we do have $35.16. We still have $67 in there. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and make a payment out of there. We don't have any current statement balance. It's at 0, so that's amazing. And we're going to make $35.16. Success. That payment is scheduled and our money will go up. Okay, so now we have so let's go ahead and mark that off in our planner that we have paid the 1306, the 1306, and the 904. Then we have Sam's Club subscription. So our subscription actually comes out of Ally Bank. I don't even know if I have the Ally Bank situation up here. I need to move the $50 from subscriptions from Ally over to pay that. So I'm going to leave that blank and I'm going to do it later, y'all. I'm just going to move that money because y'all know it doesn't come over automatically for me, at least not right now. So we'll move over the money from Ally out of memberships. We do have $50 in for that. And we'll start saving again for this next year coming up. And we're able to play that. That's why I love having my membership in sinking funds, because once it comes out, I ain't got to think about where the $50 is coming from. I already know. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and logged into my Ally account. And here is, just so y'all can see that I do have my Sam's Club membership saving right there. It is for $50 and the goal has been met. So I will be transferring that. Also, I have a bucket for Amazon, which will make sense because we have $150.03 in there. Actually, but you know what? I feel like the Amazon one ended up being more money, which kind of sucks. And I was over because I thought it was going to be $130. So I said, oh, let me save $150. Next year, I'm saving $170. Okay. But we haven't gone through that yet. But I just wanted you to know I'll be transferring over that, $200 to pay those things. Now, that's it for this. So this will just be sitting and pending. I'm not going to mark it off until I move the money so that I'll be reminded. Then I created, and this is just how I'm marking them off. These two were cash and these were credit. And then I actually added a second page because I wanted to do my Quicksilver as well. So here I added in a second page for Quicksilver. And let's take a look at some of the Quicksilver charges. Quicksilver has $241, but no worries because a lot of the bigger bills are on this card. And so let's see what we have in transactions. We've got our cell phone bill pending. We've got Amazon transaction pending. That is actually a calendar for, oh, y'all can see that. That's actually a calendar for a coworker for my Santa exchange. It came today. Actually, it came yesterday. And I'm going to wrap that after I get up off of here. And this is going to come out of Christmas. And then 15012 is going to be, what is that? That is actually my Amazon membership. So I'm over by, what is that? 7, 12, 8, 9 cents. Because it's 15012 and we have 15003. We have 9 cents. So we're 9 cents different. We're not going to worry about 9 cents. We're going to pay the 9 cents. And then Georgia Power and all that is due. But I think I put in some payments as well. So we have some pending payments for the one scheduled payments. You'll see the 141 was scheduled. And the $25 have already been scheduled for the visible and the electric bill. So I went ahead and filled in everything. On 12/12, we got my sister a gift card for her birthday from a massage place. That's $100. We actually need to pay that. And then Georgia Power bill, I scheduled the 141. It's pending to pay. And all of these have not come through yet. So I just wrote pending because they don't actually have a date yet. And these are the two Amazon we just talked about. And I actually can put that, what is this one? 15012. I'm going to put what it is so that when it comes through, we have no concerns. This is a subscription. And this one, when it comes through, it will come out of Christmas. I don't know why I always press that button. Christmas. For the gift exchange at work. And then visible, we put as a cell phone bill. Technically, I've already paid these two bills, but not everything has cleared yet. So I'm not gonna mark them off till they're done. I usually do this one on my own, but I just wanted to show you guys that how the Amazon and everything is coming through. And that's what's on that particular card right now. But the only thing I have not scheduled to pay outside of the membership is the gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and make a payment for the $100 gift card. That's going to come out of birthdays because that's where I put the money my sister sent me and the money I had put away for it. And we're going to do today, and we're going to pay $100. There's no minimum due on this card either. What do you mean? It won't let me. I think because I already have such a lot of discard, because I already have this much money pending. Now it's not 2-3 payments, but it won't let me pay more because if I pay over that, I'll be over the limit of what's actually due. So once one of those clears, I'll make the $100 payment. I just wanted you guys to be aware of where we are at with those things. So that's pretty much the expense tracking. Everything will be paid and hopefully down to zero very soon. Everything has been added into the trackers for both Quicksilver and First Pending. And when we do get some of those receipts from this week, this Target receipt is going to have to be broken down. This one, it was a pending one. It has gift card stuff, it has grocery stuff, and it has house cleaner stuff. And these two were grocery and eating out. Those were pretty straightforward. So I like scanning the receipt because it gives me a chance to just break it down and see what I got going on over here. So we'll handle those when they clear next time. And that's it for the tracking of the expenses so far from last week's things. All right, guys, thank you so much for rocking with me this long. If you made it this long to the end of the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. We'd love to have you over here in the Grateful Gang. If you like me writing it out this way better and just reviewing all the transactions with you and making the payments with you, let me know. If you like it the old way, let me know. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. It's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but forever. Bye. Jazz hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye.